measurement, measuring volume. Another thing that we regularly measure is volume. Your mother may ask you to soak a handful of rice. You know the problem of measuring with body parts. We need standard units. It's quick, it's easy, but the answers are not the same for everyone. We need standard units. What are the standard units to measure volume? A small unit is milliliter. We usually measure how much medicine we have to take in milliliter. A bigger unit is liter. We can measure how many liters of canned diesel fit in the tank of our car. There are even bigger units like cubic meters. We use them to measure the volume of large containers on ships or how large a room an AC can cool. How do we measure volume? To measure the volume in recipes, we use things like spoons, cups, etc. To measure the volume of liquids, we can use measuring cylinders or measuring jars. There are formulas to measure volume of a cube or a cylinder. How can you find the volume of a stone? Take a jar with a spout and fill it up to the spout with water. Keep a measuring cylinder near the spout to catch the overflowing water. Carefully put the stone in the jar and measure how much water has overflown. That is the volume of the stone. The Greek scientist Archimedes found out this trick. He got into a bathtub full of water, and when he got in, some water spilled out. That made him think that if he was fatter, more water would have spilled out. No one had thought of this before, and Archimedes was really excited. It was a way to measure volume of solids. He just got out of the bath and ran down the streets shouting, "Eureka!" which means, "I got it." What did we just learn? Standard units of measuring volume are milliliter, liter, cubic meter, etc. There are bigger and smaller units too. Measuring cylinders are used to measure volumes of liquids. There are formulas and methods to measure the volume of solids.